Morning, everybody. It's travel day, much to Kaylee's dismay. But we were here for 4 nights, so that gave her a break in between travel days.
Here where?
Here at
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Whiskey Flats RV Park in Hawthorne, Nevada.
Yahoo!
Yeah. So, nice.
We had some fun this morning.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Of course. It's travel day, of course. So we have a Retrax bed cover on the back of our truck. And we have had issues with it before.
But we haven't since 2016.
That's correct. We have not. But it was very cold this morning. And it was not wanting to cooperate.
It was more than very cold. It was frigid.
If Lori says it's cold, it must be really cold.
Yeah, it was 21 degrees this morning.
So, and the truck was in the shade, so therefore the Retrax did not want to retract.
It kind of got stuck.
It got stuck. But
guess who did not get upset?
Neither of us, for a change. Usually one of us is like upset, but today we were both calm. So that's good.
And
we both get thumbs up.
It fixed itself after about 30 minutes.
Yeah, we just kind of sat there and kind of weighed our options and what are we going to do? And it's like, okay, let's do this. And
then
he tries one more time.
One more time and poof, voila!
There you go. So we have a couple-hour drive today heading to Tonopah, Nevada.
Where it's supposed to be
even colder.
Cold again tonight.
Yeah. Full hookups. We're going to an RV park.
Yeah.
So
we need full hookups when it gets this cold.
Yep. Just a few nights there in Hawthorne. I mean, not Hawthorne, in Tonopah. And then we head to Beatty, where we hopefully won't be in freezing
Once we get to the line of Beatty, almost east-west across Nevada, is where it starts warming up again. So we'll be okay.
All right.
Knock on wood.
Yeah, knock on wood. Here we go. Where are we?
We're at Miller's Rest Area. We stopped for lunch because we're too early to check in.
Yeah.
That's okay.
We generally really don't like to be those people because we've been on the other side of it when people arrive early.
Yeah.
And this was just going to be way too early. So Kaylee's had enough. She's like, okay, let's go.
She's done.
KK.
Kaylee.
What are you doing?
You're ready, aren't you?
You ready to go? Bear?
Hey, Bear.
She's napping in the corner. Bear.
Bear.
What are you doing? Silly girl.
Oh, my goodness. Anyway,
so we ate lunch.
We have our tummies full, so now there'll be no hangries when we're setting up.
Yay!
Hi. You're ready, aren't you?
She's like, come on. I want my house.
We're 15 minutes away. That's it.
So we have spent the night here once before. Dave from Our Endeavor, he has spent the night here several times. So this is the RV parking area. Well, the overnight area, actually. They've got like a smaller, on the other side of those trees, they have another small little area that says RV parking. It'll look like it'd be like one RV. There's not very much room over there. So we came over here. Apparently they do have a dump station also. It was already closed down when we stayed here that one time.
Yeah.
So, and I think it has been closed down when Dave's come through here before too.
Yeah.
But I'm not positive. But it was the perfect place. It's only 12-15 minutes away from the RV park where we're going to. So we thought, perfect, good place to make a pit stop before and kill some time before we get up the hill. Miller's Rest. There's a big solar array over there. The big old tower thing, you can see it glistening in the sunlight. Well, by the time that we get up there, we should leave pretty soon.
Yeah, I think so.
Yep. We're out of here. Hello everyone, we made it to Tonopah.
Tonopah.
Yeah, the Garmin says it that way, Tonopah. It makes it sound Native American. We made it here. We are at the Tonopah RV and hospitality place.
Yeah, you know, we normally come here and we boondock on the other side of Tonopah on BLM land, but because the temps were super cold last night, down to about 21 is what it got to, and it's supposed to be in the teens tonight. We're plugged in because we need the power.
It's chilly.
It's chilly.
It's chilly. So we actually got here yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday was not a fun travel day. Well, the traveling part was fine. It was things that happened in the morning before we left, and then something that happened when we got here.
See, I already forgot what happened before we left.
Check with us on Saturday and we will review what happened yesterday.
Oh my gosh. When we got here, that's the big one.
Yeah. So.
Oh my goodness.
So check in with us on Saturday when we recap what
Yes.
went on this week and especially what went on yesterday. But you know, that's why we put our plans in the sand, because something's inevitably going to happen.
You just never know.
Inevitably.
Yeah. That's easy for you to say.
Yeah. Well, now that we're here, let's take Smokey for a little drive through town and go back to where we adopted him. Let's do that.
Well, that was a fun drive. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Oops, this way. Thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe and click the bell. Get notified when we put up a new video, which is every Saturday and every Wednesday. And then you get bonus videos like this just whenever we decide to put them up. That's how much fun we are.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching.
See ya.
Take your banner and raise it.